you still got a couple weeks to make an easy $1,000. Alright guys, did a video, I don't know, 10-12 days ago talking about how you can earn easy $1,000 using a free app called Acorns. Talked about it in about 4 or 5 previous videos, but this is a fun, easy way to save money and invest in the stock market. A lot of people talk about investing in the stock market, want to invest in the stock market. They don't know how, so they kind of just avoid it. Acorns, once you sign up, basically you don't need to know too much about investing in the stock market, because they basically give you all the information you need, and they will actually invest your money for you, and you only need very, very little, $5 to get started with Acorns. Not only does Acorns invest for you in the real stock market, it actually allows you to save money when you use your debit cards or your credit cards, and it's one of the things that you can actually save money on autopilot, like save money without you even realizing it. So it's a very, very cool app. Talked about it before. If you join right now today and you invest, it's free to sign up, but if you invest $5, you'll be able to refer, get referrals, and 12 referrals, they'll give you $1,000. So think about that real quick. You sign up right now. That's what you need to do. Click the link below. You sign up. Okay. Takes you about 5-10 minutes. Sign up. You invest $5. All right. This $5 is, you're not buying anything. You're investing. So this is your $5 that you're investing into some stocks, right? Once you do that, you're going to get a link. You'll see it once you log into your account. You'll see a link that says invite friends. Click on that. You get a link. Now it's up to you what you want to do with this link. I personally recommend emailing people or go to Facebook, people that private message them and say, hey, I just signed up with this new app. It's free. I'm now investing in the stock market. Check this out. Blah, blah, blah. Give them that link. Once they sign up and invest $5 into their own account, and you get 12 people, you get $1,000. $1,000. I mean, you watching this video and you talk about ways to make money online, and you're always looking for a way to make money online. We all do it. We all look for stuff and solutions. We try to find stuff. We look like this. Man, what can we find? Get on the computer, typing in shit, Googling. Here's something right here. Right here. Acorns, legit app. Millions of people use it. You can save money, invest in the stock market, and earn some referral fees. What else do you want, right? So, guys, quick, easy way, earn you a quick $1,000. But keep in mind, Acorns running a special for the month of August. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I noticed sometimes they'll run them throughout the year, but it's not every month, guys. So if you're watching this video and you're interested, do it. Get started, invest that $5, and share your link, invite other people to it. It's that simple. Alright, so if you got any questions, leave them below. Share this video and be sure to subscribe. Till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.